Menyebabkan sleep apnea ialah gejala henti nafas saat tidur dan memunculkan berbagai macam penyakit. Para pakar kesehatan mengatakan sleep apnea sangatlah tidak baik.
People who have obstructive sleep apnea, they tend to have very high risk for hypertension, very high risk for sudden cardiac death, and also risk for atrial fibrillation.
Medical conditions that can be impacted by sleep apnea, such as hypertension, depression, and insomnia.
Hi, I'm Dr. Ashin Desai. Another way it affects our health is the fact that it can cause sudden cardiac death, it can cause sudden stroke. Sleep apnea is very dangerous.
Cegah dan obati segera. Untuk info selengkapnya, klik di sini ya.